As of May 8, 2026, reports indicate that Iranian forces launched a coordinated attack involving drones, missiles, and fast attack boats targeting 3 U.S. Navy destroyers, USS Truxtun, USS Mason, and USS Rafael Peralta, while they were transiting the strategic Strait of Hormuz. Iranian state-linked media claimed the attacks resulted in direct hits and damage to the warships, but the U.S. CENTCOM denied those claims and stated that all incoming threats were intercepted before impact. Following the incident, the United States launched retaliatory strikes against Iranian military infrastructure near Bandar Abbas and Qasem Island, targeting drone launch facilities, missile sites, and command centers allegedly linked to the attack. CENTCOM described the response as self-defense strikes and emphasized that Washington does not seek escalation, but would continue protecting U.S. forces and commercial shipping in the region. The clashes come amid the ongoing 2026 Strait of Hormuz crisis, where tensions between the United States and Iran have sharply increased over maritime security, shipping routes, and enforcement operations connected to the U.S.-led naval blockade and escort missions in the Persian Gulf. Oil markets and global shipping operations remain on high alert due to fears of wider regional escalation. According to multiple defense and international media reports, the confrontation lasted several hours and involved layered USA naval defenses, including CIWS systems, naval guns, Apache helicopters, and support aircraft. U.S. officials stated that no American ships were damaged and no casualties were reported.